What is up, guys? Another update for Project Palliser. This would have been done this week or early next week. Today is the 20th of August. Pero we found something in the basement. We need to fix it and get us delayed for a couple of weeks. I'm also with Ellis. Say hi, Ellis.
Hi.
So, ang nakita namin dito sa basement, kasi merong tubig na pumapasok, I thought merong crack yung basement. To find out, we open up the drywall. We were supposed to paint it and be done by now. As you can see, there's no crack in the basement, even on this side. I'm very happy that wala kami nakitang crack, but this will delay us for 3 to 5 days, but very